disputes of presence of militants in Hazin area for quite some time, from past 1 week, and in that process we launched lot many casos, and yesterday we were having 3 casos. So this was the third caso in we got the chance encounter, and in that encounter initially we rescued the 6 civilians in the first 2 hours, and after that we came to know that 2 more civilians were inside who were taken hostage by the 2 militants. So in that scenario we tried to take out them. We got many things for that. Number one, the most important one, that we announced it through their relatives. We used the mics. We also involved the Awqaf committee members to announce it through the masjid. Apart from that, we also involved our special team who were specialized in room intervention, and they went up to the 3rd floor, but by that time again the fire came out. We also tried to send the mother of one of the civilian who were inside, and that mother went inside and she appealed, but again the militants opened fire on them. In that process we able to rescue one hostage, and the chacha of that boy, and we again appealed in presence of magistrate. We also called the magistrate on the spot, and magistrate also appealed that the boy should be released, but that efforts couldn't mature, and finally when the fire from that side intensified, we also retaliated, and in process 2 militants, one Ali, I mean these all are aliases, we don't know their actual name, but aliases, Ali and Hubayb were eliminated, and in that process what information we gather from the rescue civilian, that the minor boy was being held hostage by the Ali. So he didn't allow boy to get out, boy to be get released, and he basically killed the boy before our team stormed the building. So this is from what my side.
Sir, you pointed out that they took more of a time for the rescue because they were hostage, and evacuation process took some long time. So how long was this operation actually was
Basically
there?
it almost started at 9 a.m. and we waited till 6. So all these efforts were continued till 9 hours. So we waited, we showed a lot of patience, we applied a lot of methods, whatever possible ways and means we could adopt, like involving the civilians, the Awqaf committee, the masjid committee, the magistrate, the family owned members. Rather, I would like to share it with you that the family members of the civilian told us that the militant inside the house were beating up the family members, and they showed us some marks on their body of beating. And in fact, I would also like to mention that before we got the input, the father and the son were already held hostage by them. Basically, there was some story that basically this Ali guy was Ali wanted to marry some girl. So he basically wanted the girl to be brought back, but the family members sent the girl to some other place. So he was demanding that girl should be brought to this house, then only I will allow you to go out. So initially this story was going on, I mean this thing was going on inside the house, and by the time we received the input and we cordoned, and this encounter.
So was there any bullet mark on minor's body as you have done the
Pardon?
postmortem? Was there any bullet mark on
That
minor
we are ascertaining, that will be clear in the PM report.
So
Only.
can you throw light on this Ali and the other Pakistani military who was neutralized by the forces?
No, the both were the foreign terrorists affiliated to LET, and hardcore militants, and Ali have been involved in many killings, many civilian killings, and he has that trademark of keeping long knife, which also we have recovered, and he was involved in number of civilian killings.
So from how long he was operating in this Hajan when he actually infiltrated? Any idea about that? Have you investigated?
Not exactly. Foreign terrorist doesn't operate in a particular area. They keep on moving from one district, from one place to another. But from last 4 to 5 months, he has increased his activity in this area.
So was he involved in the cases that were reported last year regarding the slaughtering and others? Was he involved in that also?
We cannot say it 100% because they keep on changing their names, they keep on changing their identities, they keep on changing their area of operation. But yes, we had received inputs that he is involved in many civilian killings in the area with the long knife. So this is his trademark.
So was more Ali in the area, or it was the Hubab who was more operating for a long time here?
I think Ali was the older one, and he was here for, I mean, in this North Kashmir, he has been operating since last 2 years.
Sir, as LET, this Hajan is seen as the belt of LET. So how many more militants of LET in that foreign region are in Hajan?
So it's very difficult to say at a given point of time how many are present, but whosoever, we are behind them.
So recoveries क्या क्या?
Recoveries so far, we have taken 2 AK-47, number of magazines, as well as warlike stores we have recovered, apart from bullets.